Hey everyone, so let's begin today's session. So let's figure out how do we know about transition activation point. So how can we know about when a planet is transiting over a particular planet and what is the exact time that this will give us result. So when you go to any website, here we use Astronevesh, our own website especially made for all this. So but you can use any website, it's like up to you. So you have to find where are your planets sitting. So on a piece of paper you can write one two. Okay, you have to also check in the house section ki where are your planet. In some cases planets might change, like in this case see Saturn is in the fourth house. So anyway we will be looking after the nakshatra padas. So fourth, eighth, and 12th. Okay, these are the places where we have our planets placed. Now you have to search all these houses if there are any existing planet which are transiting over it. So in first house we don't find. Go to second house, we don't find. Go to fourth house, no, there is no house. Then we have to go to eighth house, and here we can find that Jupiter is transiting or has transited. We will see 12th house. No. So we in this case we only found Jupiter which had transited. If we see 8th house again, you will find that Jupiter is in Mrigashira 2, so which is at the last nakshatra pada of Taurus, whereas Ketu was in Kritika 4. So let's assuming that if this has mother, we are looking in retrospect, so this would have happened 6 padas ago. So that is for you can check like when it transited over that pada online, or you can roughly calculate it was like around 9 months ago. To be sure, like what is the date, you can google it right now. We are assuming it's 9 months ago. So for like 9 months back, around July 2024, this Ketu plus Jupiter thing would have taken place. Okay, and we know when Ketu, then you have to understand the planet. Okay, what result does Ketu give in 8th house? It's always believed that Ketu is gives good result in 8th house, whereas Jupiter doesn't, is not a very favorable position at 8th house. Okay, so there might be some issues between these planets, though Jupiter in this case will overpower because it's a transiting house. So you have to see that the base planet is 18 months period. It has a 18 months cycle. In 18 months now you have to divide it into multiple quarters, and you have to see how it works. So generally it changes on planet to planet basis. Okay, so easily how you can see is like in 18 months, initial 3 months will be good. Okay, middle 3 months, so this is 0 to 3. Then 3 to 6 will be like average. 6 to 7 will be average, then 8, 9 and 10 will be good, then last 18 months, 16 to 18th month will be good. So all this will be good, matlab will be activated. So you have to see. Similarly, you have to understand the nature of the planet. So there are two types of planets: fast and slow. Okay, so over here we have Sun, Mars, Mercury, Moon, which is the fastest, and Venus. Here we have Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, and Ketu, north node and south node. Okay, so here we can see quick triggers. Over here we can see long actions. So what happens when what we meant by quick triggers and long action? Okay, so see, Venus, okay, transiting over your Venus or Mars. It depends on either whose kundli we are looking for. For female, it will be Mars. For male, it will be Venus, and vice versa. We can look for Mars as well as the other planet to see, depending on context and where your chart has been placed. We need to see it. So whenever Venus and Mars transit over Venus and Mars or your seventh lord, so you can see a discussion of marriage. However, when Jupiter either transits or have fifth, ninth, or seventh aspect, you have high probability of marriage. So Jupiter decides many things in your life. In fact, like what I generally do, because there are so many events, so I mostly take Jupiter and Saturn as per Brigu, and I take like 1 year and 2.5 years. That's a advanced version how you look when they are transiting on which age group. So some more advanced point when you are looking at tap and understanding it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and so on. It will continue. So whenever, in this case, let's assume your, I will change the color. Okay. Say Jupiter is over here. So Jupiter, if Jupiter is over here, and then I take some other color. So when does your best time will come? Whenever we have Jupiter transit, Jupiter transit, and without looking at the actual transit, it will be either 28, okay, or it could be 28 or 40. Okay, good years of your life, matlab, the point will start. You will find like these points are really really good. For Saturn it becomes 2.5 years, the same calculation, so your different chart will be made. You can take each house as 2.5 years and you can calculate which part has been triggered and what is the correlation. Okay, so that's how you can actually tap into the correct precision of time through transits, either planet transit or as per Bhrigu your house gets activated. So again it's an advanced thing. If you are interested you can comment and let us know, and we are thinking to have classes structure class, because then people are serious about it, or we can have like free videos. You can tell me in the comment section what uh, should be the topic of it and we can discuss it further. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you.